how long it took me to become a fluent English speaker. Most of the language learners, they are repeatedly gone asking the same question. Sir, I am very curious to know how much time did you take to achieve your desired fluency? Please tell me, please tell me. Don't worry, my friends. If you do not understand English and want to speak, then it will take more than 1 year. But if you understand English, can't speak, it will take only 60 days. It is my personal experience. Now let me explain how. When I was learning English speaking, that time I joined one spoken class. It didn't work for me. I paid there for 10,000 as I mentioned in my earlier videos. And my trainer, he used to give me only tenses, models, one topic like the importance of money or education system, and told me to speak at least for 2 minutes. That was enough for me, and it didn't work for me. I quit that a spoken class, and I was very disappointed that time. Then I didn't do any kind of activities for the next 1 to 2 weeks. I took a break, and after that I shared my personal problem with my father and said, my spoken class, it didn't work for me, so what should I do the next? Then he said me, okay, please don't worry. At that time I was living in Kolkata. Right now I am in Jharkhand. Okay, so he said me, okay, I will just manage something for you. Then he told me, means my father, he told me, there is a girl, she's from Punjab, her English is so good, and she works as an English expert on other platforms like online platforms. I said okay, so please talk to her. And fortunately my father, he talked to her father, and they both were agreed. Then I felt so confident. We exchanged our contact number, and I started talking. She used to live in another flat where I used to live, but she knew about me before as well. Then we just went on a speaking every day, 30 minutes. I paid her 12,000 for just 1 month, and 24,000 for 2 months. Okay, so I just it is not about money, because one thing is for sure, if you pay money, it saves your time. Because many of the language learners, they think, sure, how much time will it take? If you don't know how to guide yourself, how will you guide yourself? You are not already mastered in it, right? So it will take a lot time, because randomly you will follow sometime shadowing technique, sometime you will mimic someone, sometime you will do a storytelling, but it is not in the right direction, so you will completely get exhausted. Okay, now let me tell you. Then after that, when I started talking with my ma'am, she is from Punjab, and after that I said, ma'am, please don't judge me. She said, no, 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 I will not judge you at all, because you are so kind and generous human being, so I will support you. You can consider me as if I am your friend. Okay, you can express everything whatever you want, but remember one thing, you should speak only in English. You are not allowed to speak in Hindi. I said it's okay, I will try my best. And I just went on speaking for the next 30 to 60 days. And but when I was speaking with her for the next 10 days, then she said, you can't, my nickname is Goody. Okay, she said me, Goody, you can't alone practice with me and become fluent in English. What you should do now, you should download one online English speaking partners, where you can also practice more than 30 minutes with the co-learners. Okay, you are already good in it a little bit. Then I said okay, ma'am. And I downloaded one application, online application. I started practicing for 30 minutes, 1 hour every day. And finally I exchanged my contact number with a very beautiful, very pure mindset girl. She was from Egypt, and she was a teacher. I said, can we have a conversation for a while on like our WhatsApp? She said, no, I'm getting afraid, you are from India, Indians are not good, they are Hindu. I said, no, 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 not like that. Then finally she agreed, and we exchanged our contact number, and we started talking for 1 hour, 2 hour every day at night. And my friends, believe me, I suddenly I thought like, I felt like, oh my god, something is changing within me. And I literally improved a lot in just 60 days. But remember one thing, most of the language learners, they are again confused. They think, sir, fluency means you became only fluent in just 60 days like this. Not like that. Fluency means I was able to express all my thoughts, opinions, ideas without getting blank, without forgetting words. I was able to express my thoughts and ideas easily. Okay, but when I created my YouTube account, YouTube channel, then I became fluent completely. Okay, so this is the thing. But that time I was also able to express my all thoughts and opinions as I used to express in my mother tongue like Hindi. So my friends, this is how my journey is. But mostly if you think that how much time will it take, I don't have any idea. So it depends on you, it depends on your situation. Okay, it was my situation. I fortunately I fortunately got a personal trainer. She trained me very nicely, because when you hire personal trainer, then they means any of the trainers, they target on your individual problems. But if you join groups, then it will the mass problems like mind going blank. But if you are learning individually, then trainer will tell you why your mind goes blank. They will give you idea anchors method, what to say the next. Means your complete focus will be on the trainer. Trainer will be fully focused on you. Okay, so that's how you both will grow. And it was the privilege for me. I improved a lot. And if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section, so you can just figure out whether you understand English or not. If you understand English, it will take only 60 days.